top, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be. You beefing with my enemy, does not make you a friend of me. Girl, so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free. Never living comfortably, got a lot of goals for me. My team is trying to eat, so we grinding so immensely. You trying to get a bag of weed, I'm trying to get a bag of wheat. Put it in my savings and invest in the right companies. My dream is like a child, and I'm taking all the custody. Obstacles be slowing me, but that buffer molding me. So I take my time, cause I'm always where I'm supposed to be. Keep my niggas close to me, cause I know when they...
Hi everyone, my name is Tiana. Today I made a Valentine's Day look for you guys. Very nice and easy, not too extra, but nice and sultry, so you can dress it up or dress it down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, you better hit that button below. It may be down here somewhere, left side, right side, whatever side it's on. Make sure you guys click it. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy.
Hi everyone. So what I did before I started, I did my eyebrows and I put on my foundation. The foundation that I'm wearing is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, the dewy smooth finish, I believe it is, in the color 355 coconut. So I went ahead and did that before I got on. Next, we are going to use the concealer. We're going to take the LA Pro Girl color in fawn, and we're going to put that on the top of our lids here. As we do that, we're going to take our angled flat brush, and we're going to put that on our eyelids. And we're going to blend that all over our entire eyelid with one of our flat eyeshadow brushes. Once that is finished, we're going to go in with the 120 palette eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. We're going to take the top browns that are in the left corner of the palette, and we're going to mix all those shades together. So if you don't have this palette, any medium to brown shade, not something that's super dark, but have that, and we're going to go over the entire lid of our eye. And we're blending that out really well on both eyes. Next, we're going to take another, it's kind of like a reddish brown in this palette, and we're going to go over the same areas, kind of give it a little more red, but a little more depth. Next, we're going to take the face contour palette. You get this out of your beauty supply, and we're going to take, it's kind of like a red and orangish tone, and mix that in as well. Do that on both eyes and blend it out really well. Next, we're going to take that same flat brush that we had the concealer on and take the excess and put it at the very tips of our lids. Kind of looks like a cut crease, but not exactly. Then we're going to go into our Chanel palette, and it's a light pink shade in here, and we're going to put that on the tips of our lids where we put the concealer. And blend that out really good. Next, we're going to take the pink that's back into the BH Cosmetics palette. It's like a pale pink, and we're going to put that on top of that Chanel baby pink. I will also add the palettes below so you guys can purchase them. Blend that out really well with the pinks. You want to put that on really nicely. And we're going to go back into the contour palette, and there's going to be a glittery reddish pink look in the palette, and we're going to put that in the crease. So it's going to give us like a shimmery kind of look. Then we're going to go in back into the BH Cosmetics palette, and there's a deeper red, a deeper kind of glittery red, and we're going to put that all over the lid of the eye and the crease and blend that in really well. So mix those colors together. Once that is done, we are going to go in with our NYX gel liquid liner, and we're going to line our eyes off camera. So as you see, our liquid liner is on, and we put on our Allen Michael lashes. The link to those lashes will be below as well. Next, we're going to take the same LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and we're going to put that in generous amount up under our eyes. We're going to do our eyes, and then we're going to do the top of our lip, our chin, our nose, and then we're going to take the excess and put it on our forehead. Next, we're going to take our Beauty Blender and the Cover FX spray, and we're going to blend everything out. Blend that really well. We're gonna get up under the eyes really good. Blend out the nose. So just blend, blend, blend. Makes everything seamless. Next, we're gonna take the benign powder and banana, and we're gonna go under the eyes, the bridge of our nose, our forehead, our lip and chin. So everywhere that we highlighted with the concealer, we're going to take the benign powder and go over that. Next, we're going to take the MAC Mineralizing Deep Dark Finish, and we're going to basically go over all our whole face to keep that color in. And we're going to use the excess of that to brush off the banana powder, so our face doesn't look too light or too bright. Next, we're going to take the Fenty Beauty and Espresso and contour. And then we're going to take our brush and just blend it all out. Blend, blend, blend. I blended this probably for about 5 minutes to make sure it was great. But you want to go over the chin. When you're blending out, you just want to make sure you blend out any lines really, really good, so you don't have a harsh line of contour on your face. Next, we're going to take one of our eyeshadow brushes, and we're going to blend out our nose. We're going to blend upward and down on the sides, so you don't have a line of demarcation on your nose. And we're also going to keep blending and blending till it's kind of almost seamless, but you still see a snatched nose. And then you're also going to blend into your eyebrows and a little bit into your eyeshadow. So by doing that, it gives you that nice look. And now your nose is snatched. Next, we're going to take our Pro Bronzer in the color Deep, and we're just going to go all over the hollows of our cheeks, forehead, and chin. We're going to squeeze that brush and go across our nose as well. I'll just go back with my foundation brush and blend everything out even more. Next, we're going to take the Fenty Beauty with the same brush that we used for our bronzer and mix that in. Now, I went a little overboard with this. And I didn't mean to. I almost forgot that I was using Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wipe, which shows so glittery. So I just went in with my other brushes trying to blend that out really, really good. As you can see, I'm just blending, because I'm like, oh shoot, what did I do? blend it out. We're going to take the bronzer again to try to take away some of that glittery look and go back in on top of that. Because I did not mean to put that much trophy wife on my face. Gonna go with that beauty blender and try to dim away some of that glitter that's in the trophy wife. Like I said, I did not mean to put that much glitter on my face. And we're going to take the same contouring palette and we're going to use the same colors that we used on our eyeshadows. We're going to put those on our cheeks. So this contour palette kind of doubles as like a blush palette as well. And the colors are really nice if you use it very lightly. And just keep blending out a little more. Just trying to take away that glitter look. Next, we're going to use our blending eyeshadow brush, and we're going to take a purple kind of color. It's a little glittery in the BH Cosmetics palette, and we're going to just go up under our eyes and blend that out really, really good. And you want to kind of bring it into underneath the wing liner. Next, we're going to take the Ruby Kisses lip liner and espresso and go around our lips. Kind of color that in just a little bit. And we're going to rub our lips together, blend that out. Next, we're going to take our NYX, and this NYX lip gloss is a matte lip gloss. I will put the name of the color below. And we're just going to put that on our lips a couple of times. It dries nice and matte. It's not too matte. It's a little glossy still, but it's a nice matte. Kind of completes our sultry look. It's pinky a little bit. Next, we're going to take our water bottle. Now, this bottle is just filled with water. There's no conditioner, and we're just going to go in and kind of refreshen our curls a little bit. This is a wig unit from Allen Michael Virgin Hair, and this unit is about, let's say, 4 months old. We're going to take our big wide tooth comb and just kind of comb through some of the curls and then re-wet it, just like I said, to keep the curls popping. And once you do that, your look is finished.
So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you do enjoy this look. I went for the very kind of pinky but sultry type of look. Great for a date night. You can dress it up or dress it down. I kind of went a little too crazy with the Fenty Beauty, forgot what I was working with for a second. But also, I wanted to show you guys what I do with my curly hair. This is from Allen Michael Virgin Hair, which is my company. It is 24, 22, 20-inch bundles of Brazilian deep curly and an 18-inch frontal. It is a wig, so you can take it on and off, but I got my edges got to be glued, so it ain't going nowhere. But this is the look, and I really hope you guys loved it. Very simple and nice, great for a date night, like I said. So, but let me know if you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. And don't forget to watch the other videos that I have available online. I hope you love it, and happy Valentine's Day.